everyone, how's it going? My name's Ben. Welcome back to the channel. We are out on a family adventure. After a marathon day of driving about 8.5 hours on highways, we have found ourselves at the eastern trailhead of the Mojave Road. This has been a bucket list trip for me. Somehow, I still haven't done it yet, so this weekend is our chance to tackle it. Thanks to these short winter days though, the sun is already starting to go down over those mountains in the west, and that means it's time for us to book it and find a place to camp. We've got Milo along with us for this trip, so it's sure to be a good one. We'll catch up with you soon. All right, as you can see, we are losing the sun for good here any minute now. We've already got the moon up in the sky, and I think we found the spot to camp tonight. We're about 8 miles into the Mojave Road, and there's this pull off. It led us up a hill. Absolutely beautiful. I think it's gonna be a gorgeous morning. It's certainly a gorgeous sunset right now. We're coming up on 6 p.m., so it's time for us to get the iKamper set up, pull out the kitchen, and let's get some dinner going. All right, well, we've got the tent set up. Channing is up inside getting the bed all ready, getting the sleeping bags all laid out. I, meanwhile, am getting Camp Kitchen going. I'm super excited on this trip. I'm testing out a couple of new pieces of gear. The first one is this headlamp. I saw this on Instagram, of course, and it's called the Light Bar Pro. Not sponsored, I bought this with my own money. I think I paid 60 bucks for it. It's got a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. That's this pack back here. It's like 3,000 milliamp hours, so huge battery. It's gonna last for a good long while, I think. And the cool thing about it is it's got a red mode and it's got a white mode. And in each of the different modes, it's got 3 levels of brightness. And I've just never seen a headlamp that has a full headband of LEDs like this before. It is super bright, and what I really love is it covers my peripheral vision. So you get sort of the full area around you illuminated, which is really nice. But the thing I'm really excited to put to use right now is this guy right here. This is my Cook Partner 2-burner stove by Partner Steel Co. Now, you guys might have already seen this stove. You've probably heard about this stove. It is bomb-proof. The last stove you're ever gonna have to buy. Is it stupid expensive? You bet it is. But let's just say Santa was kind this year, and I'm stoked to put it to use on this trip. So for dinner tonight, here's what we're doing. We've got a mushroom Swiss burger that we're gonna be putting together, and a chilly night like this, it just sounds absolutely delicious. And of course, because it's winter, I left the IPAs at home today, guys. I didn't bring them out with me on this trip. Instead, we've got a couple of different stouts that we're gonna be trying. This is called Floofer. I brought it for Milo. He's not gonna get to try it though. It is cocoa nibs and marshmallows and just like a chocolate stout. It's gonna be super delicious. What do you say? Let's get cooking. Cremini mushrooms, Swiss cheese. Gotta have that Kerrygold butter, and some ground sirloin. That is going to be our mushroom Swiss burger. Let's start by chopping these guys up. burger. All right, there it is. Mushroom Swiss burger is out while we're camping. It was super simple to throw together. It took about 10 minutes to get the patties to a nice medium rare, get the mushrooms sauteed up, and get it all slapped together. So it doesn't get much easier than that. We're gonna finish eating these burgers real quick before it gets any colder out here. And then I think we'll probably call it an early night because tomorrow we're gonna lay down some serious tracks on the Mojave Road. We'll pick you up in the morning.
Now you just look like a demon eating a burger.
Oh no. Is it better with my light on or off?
No.
No, it's not good either?
Right, Milo says, please, sir.
Holy crap, those mushrooms are good.
Yeah? Positive verdict?
Yeah, I'm a fan.
Me too.
Wendy's could learn a thing or two from this mushroom Swiss burger.
Milo says I could sample. Milo, could you sample? Oh. Okay, go ahead. Hi, buddy. Yes! Good job! Good job!
Oh, you're gonna get so messy in this bush.